In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create buy button embeds that link directly to your Shopify store. Whether you want to sell products on a blog, a custom website, or another online platform, or you simply want to give customers a faster and more seamless way to buy, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Buy buttons are a powerful way to extend your store beyond Shopify while keeping the checkout process smooth and secure. So let's jump right in. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and look toward the left-hand side menu. From there, go to Apps. This section is your gateway to adding extra functionality to your store, so make sure you're logged into the correct account and following along carefully so nothing gets missed. Next, inside the Apps section, use the search bar and look for the Buy button channel. Once you find it, click on it to open the app page. You'll see some information about how it works, but what you want to do here is click Install to add it to your store. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. It's quick and very beginner-friendly, so there's nothing complicated to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your products are already created and published, your store is active, and you have permission to install apps. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary setup issues. Once the Buy Button app is installed, open it and click on Create a Buy Button. From here, select the product you want to sell, then customize the button's appearance by adjusting colors, text, size, and layout. After that, Shopify will generate an embed code for you. Copy this code and paste it into your website, blog, or platform where you want the button to appear. It's also a good idea to preview the button after embedding it. Taking this extra step ensures everything works perfectly and looks great for your customers. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create and embed Shopify buy buttons easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?